Truth or lie? Unmask it. The game where gossip meets gut instinct. So you need to buckle up. The first question for you is, you were offered a reality show this year but turned it down because they wanted to highlight your personal life.
Rubbish. Lies. Absolute lies. और कितना personal life मतलब highlight करेंगे? Everyone knows I've been around for a very long time. Everyone knows what my personal life is all about. What more do you need to know?
Okay. Moving on. You had a disagreements with a famous producer over payment or contract issues. Name the show if it's true.
Many years ago, I may have had a disagreement regarding the payments, but this was like way before. I'm going back more than 25 years ago.
What's the name of the producer?
That I will not say. I don't snitch.
At least name of the show?
नहीं, name of the show नहीं था. It was a pilot episode.
Okay.
So it was a pilot episode with lots of names in it. Lots of big names in it.
तो हुआ वो शो?
नहीं, वो शो आगे ही नहीं आया. पायलट बन के रह गया. उस वक्त पायलट एपिसोड्स बनते थे. दिस इज वे बिफोर योर टाइम डार्लिंग. वे बिफोर योर टाइम. जब एक एपिसोड पायलट बनता था, फिर चैनल में जाता था, अप्रूव होता था, और उसके बाद में फिर एक्चुअल शूट शुरू होती थी. या तो फिर कोई 4 एपिसोड्स बना के पायलट एपिसोड्स बनाते थे और
देन अप्रूव होते थे.
या
ओके, मूविंग ऑन. You were approached for Big Boss again, but you refused because you don't want to repeat the experience.
नो, आई वॉज नेवर अप्रोच्ड फॉर बिग बॉस अगेन.
After winning, no?
कभी नहीं.
You have secretly unfollowed someone from the industry after a fight.
नेवर.
You have not unfollowed anyone from Instagram.
नो.
Did you have a fight with any of the celebrities?
नो. विच सेलिब्रिटीज?
Any of your celebrities? हो सकता है फ्रेंड्स भी हो, कोई एक जिसके साथ आपकी फाइट हुई हो.
हाँ, पर मैंने अनफॉलो नहीं किया है किसी को कभी.
फाइट तो किया है.
तो अगर वो दोस्त है तो झगड़ा होगा ही ना.
You have dated someone from your own show's crew or cast?
नो.
No one.
नो.
You have not dated anyone from your same cast?
No.
During Kasauti?
No.
No.
Kasauti! I like the way you're going. Kasauti was the biggest Kasauti for Balaji.
That time? No?
No.
Okay. Because इतनी शिद्दत से आपने प्यार किया था ना अनुराग को.
अरे वो तो शिद्दत मतलब हाँ, पर उसके बाद में मैंने शादियां भी तो 4 की थी. प्यार 1 से किया, शादी 4 से की. सोच लो कितनी शिद्दत.
You have a group chat dedicated only to discussing industry gossip.
No. I don't.
Okay, so you don't have any WhatsApp group?
I have lots of WhatsApp groups, but हाँ, हम लोग ये WhatsApp ग्रुप पे नहीं डिस्कस करते हैं. भले मिलके करते हैं, बट WhatsApp ग्रुप पे नहीं करते.
नहीं करते.
नहीं.
Okay.
मिलके तो गपशप गॉसिप तो होती है.
हो ही जाती है.
हम सबके अंदर एक गपशप आंटी बैठी है. You know? हम सबके अंदर है. Don't worry.
Who is your closest आओ बहन चुगली करे?
Who is my closest आओ बहन चुगली करे? मैं वो नाम नहीं बोल सकती. नहीं, वो नाम नहीं बोल सकती. समझदार को इशारा काफी होगा.
Understood. You have been a part of major on-set rivalry that fans still don't know about it.
No, I think a lot of people know about it.
But some fans.
Everyone knows.
Everyone knows.
I think so. Everyone knows.
So what is it about?
No, actually, you're right. I have blocked someone. Now too many followers and too many followings. I can't really do much about it. हाँ, 1 or 2 people I've blocked.
Who are those?
मेरे से नाम निकलवाना ना बेटा, दुनिया ऊपर से नीचे हो जाए, वो होगा नहीं.
किस्सा तो बता सकते हो ना कि सेट पे क्या
हुआ. No, I just didn't appreciate the negativity around me. So it's very, मेरे लिए बहुत सिंपल है कि मैं वाइब पर्सन हूँ. मुझे अगर वाइब जमती है तो वेर एंड गुड. और अगर वाइब नहीं जमती है then I will pull out of the
that's true.
You know, of the scene. I will step back. मतलब
तो ये कब की बात है? उन दिनों की या इन दिनों की?
Around 8 years ago, 7 years ago.
7 years ago. So recent shows की बात है.